Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be just unpacking a few body kits. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unpacking the TH Components body kit for the 18.8 SX and the doors that I got off them that were a perfect fit. So yeah, I'll show you all that and we'll come back later and see how it all looks. Okay, so the new doors come through from TH Components. Let's unbox them and see how we go.
That's probably the biggest Christmas present you're going to get this year, anyway. Look out them boys.
Like the car's going right there.
Well, they look dead straight. Looks like the gel coat's really nice on that.
There is straight.
Fair play.
Won't stay that straight now, don't
Well, good thing about fiberglass, they flex in and out. Problem with steel, once you bend them, they're bent.
So yeah, well, first impression is well made. Pretty straight, pretty flat. So, thank you, TH Components. Righto, so we got the other door on. Seems to fit quite well. Really chuffed with the quality of them actually. They are really well fitted. So next thing is to get the wing on. We'll get the wing on, see if it lines up, and then I'll have to sort the hinges out. Now what I'd like to do with the hinges, make it so the doors lift off, but it depends on how the wing encroaches on the door whether it will lift off. So yeah, that'll be the next thing. So as you can see, I fitted the doors. The rear bumper and the front bumper has just been clamped on for now. Just use these clamps here just to bolt it to the wings. Original metal wings at the moment. Not really sure what to do with those. Whether I cut them like I did before and arch them out. They are in perfect condition, to be honest, thanks to Courtney Travis, I believe his name is. We did a swap for some fiberglass wings. Was hoping to get some origin wings, but what with COVID and everything else, it's proven difficult for postage. We got the BN kit from TH Components, and the doors that you saw earlier, they're a perfect fit and they're really good. The BN kit, yeah, can't really fault it. Obviously normal trimming is required here where it fits the wing, and I've got to make it fit the origin back arches. So with the BN kit, it gets rid of this little swage line that you've got along here, So what I'll do is fill it in on the door to make it all matching. I may do, may not, I'm not sure. What with the graphics and everything else, you probably won't notice it. So yeah, we're just fitting everything on, and this time I've opted, instead of rivets, I've opted for riv nuts and bolts, just so I can take it off to clean it, or repair it or replace it as and when necessary. We've got the engine in and the gearbox in, as you might have seen on a few posts that I've put the gearbox mount. I had to make a new one of those because it's a CD09. Yeah, so that's all in at the moment, being mocked up. Put the relocation kit on from GK Tech. I got the GK Tech fan, so that will go on there. So yeah, my brother done the tubs for me, so he'd done a lot better job than I would have done, so I just let him do that. We've mounted the intercooler, so I made a little bracket for that, and you can see the oil cooler in there. And then this is going to be the cooler for the power steering, which is going to fit under there nicely. And then my tube work is going to come through here to make it a lot shorter. Now, I know the questions you'll be asking is, how are you going to fit the lights in? I'm only going to fit the covers in, and I've got some thin lights to go in there, so it'll be permanent lazy eye, which is the look I like anyway. So that's an update. Keep tuned, look out for the next video, and hopefully it'll be a bit further on. Cheers, bye.